Welcome to this fancy show. It is a Sunday and it is 6 p.m. just like any other day. We welcome you back from the week. And a lot has just been happening, just like when Bademukole into Winjinyo mu weekend. Today's Sunday is special. We've brought someone Kola right now, Kola some time back, that you would love to know about him. Definitely someone would be like, oh, this is this person and I know this person. You do not know this person A to Z. These people know themselves better, and that is why I do not want to spoil his introduction, and I would love him to do it himself. Yes, you're welcome to the show.
Thank you.
How are you doing? How are you feeling?
Good to be here. Nice set, nice people. Lovely person like you, meeting you finally.
Thank you so much. And yes, just like you said, I am lovely. A lot has just been said as I moved around Kampala. People are watching the show, people are loving the show. The feedback is really good. And yes, if you feel there is something lacking, you can come to Thoban Center and find my producer, and definitely we'll make a change, because this is what we do, BTM. We give you only the good things, and we would love to do something best, and so that you can love it and be ready to watch the next show. So would you please introduce yourself to someone who is watching you there, because definitely someone has seen you and they're like, oh, this is this person, but they do not know who this person is, their names and where they come from.
Hi, my name is Smith. Most people know me as King Smith, and I come from Uganda, the part of Africa, in East Africa now, and then Africa, and then to the rest of the world. Okay. And yeah, basically that's me. I am a journalist, I am an entrepreneur, a CEO, and then finally I am a king.
Okay, so you really look young. Hope I'm not offending you, because basically no. When someone says you look young, or some people don't find it good being described as young.
Everyone wants to look young.
Yeah.
Everyone does. So
everyone wants to look young, but definitely if you find my judge and call them young, they'll be like, oh man, I'm manide.
That will be
things
disrespectful,
like that.
you know.
You know, so I hope I did not offend you.
Yeah, no, sure. No worries.
Okay, so who is King Smith? Because definitely someone's going to be like, King Smith, is that the name Mami Yamua or Irinya Yarisima from somewhere?
Oh, yeah, sure. Katinze, they call me King Smith. They, like people around everywhere, call me King Smith. But Amanya Yenze Matega Shadik Smith. That is Nedirangabi Akabiro Jerengesa Banzala Luero Bakuba nakulira nnyo e Kampala, then nenkulirako e Masaka, then nenkulirako even other parts of the world, but basically nze
Smith.
Tata wange yampali Amatega, mama wange nampeli Shadik Smith. Why? Because when I was growing up, my mom, there was this famous lawyer called Smith. So because I was so intelligent at school, so my mom, you know, yaraba omwana omutonga mutiputi nagamba kato mwanange should be called Smith, away from the Shadik name. Yes, so that's how the Smith name came up. Then as I grew up to myself, then I realized I had to be a king. Okay. Yeah, because of my upbringing. Twalinga kusomereyo nga tubeera nnyo mu aba scout. You know, yes.
Because mbadde natera okubuuza, where does the name King come from? Ensonga ki gyowe kwisa King? Lwaki oba weyita King?
So kati ekyampisa ekyanetera sinze yeto kyeyita, but twalinga mu scout ku ssomero in primary, twagendanga cars. Kati cars eyo, you have to choose which animal you are according to your fierceness, according to your heart, your braveness, amagezigo, how you handle issues as our scout and all that. So kanena mkwano gwange mukama mumuze mirembe sagana mwoga kwe really breaks down my heart. Katinga yeye tiger, katinga nze lion, because nalinga sitia. Everything I just attack, I just go
just
as
beat people's kids?
No, like tactically, yes.
Okay.
Tactically, yes. I grew up in no busungu bunje, so kati nga abantu ngampita mpologoma. So kati mpologoma eba kabaka is the king of the jungle. So to put away the other thing of mpologoma ne that all okwanga bakutya, I had to, you know,
sum it up. Yes,
nenchiwumba nenchitekako akazigo katono nechifuuka king. So that's where the kingship thing came from. So I had to create a kingdom of myself with my friends, even in school, then even in professional this side. So the name came growing, wait, and then even the work, putting in the work, the effort, the energies, research, obagwe kabaka weisotya okola ki oyambala otya oyogera otya n'abantu. Do you keep your word? How do you address people? Do you respect them? Kati ebintu ebyo. So nikijanga kikula, then nekimberako until where I am now. So that's why people address me as King Smith.
Okay, so this very week, I have been having a workshop and I was taught power over. So you used to use your power over were you totally aggressive because you have the name King?
No. I've been aggressive. People have shunned away from me because of my aggressiveness. Okay. I am a go-getter. Yes. I shoot on like I'm straight up forward person. I just go for it no matter what it is. I don't I'm a risk taker, so I am a power on person.
Okay, so go getter. No, because you want something.
No,
and you don't fear anything because you're king.
No, you do. You see, you have to plan your movements very well. Don't just go far. To you are mubiri wenna or you know kubala bintu bya kubala. Ogamba, okay, if it's business, how do I attack this business? Even if I want it so bad, but I need to sit back and relax, and then I know, okay, nakufuna connection chi, what are the prices, dollar kusente meka, goods nzijawa, if I can't go to China, to Dubai, to everywhere, who can I talk to those connections? But I never demo business and that research, how many books do I have to first, read, or take a business, Bank of Uganda right now, inflation, all those things. Then after that, you go in all like hands-on.
I am sure omuntu ali mukulaba Smith right now ategedde Smith yani Smith akulabichi, because this has been a very, very long introduction. Atugambye buli kimu kyakola, and definitely if someone says they are a go-getter, okitegera bulungi nti bingi nnyo byakola, definitely, because you cannot go get something that is one. Bibera bingi nnyo, maybe binzobanga bili covered into something, just like gwe ali mukulaba BTM, you're go-getting something that you really want to do. Smith omuntu yandiyagadde okumanya Smith bamuzaala wa nga tanaba kubeera go-getter bamuzaala wa, and how does he notice that I am now a go-getter, because omuntu tazuuka ku makya nga kimanya am a go-getter. Bingi byabakola, bingi byabatunuulidde, then namanya nti this is the right word I can use.
Kati Smith bamuzaala Makerere, banzaira Makerere.
In town?
Yes, in town. But
city born.
Yeah, I'm a city born. Rakwaka gambaka abantu bakoonona, so put it in quotes, city born. Kati mami wange yalinga balinga babira Makerere, kati banzalira Mulago. Kati then tata wange yabiranga Machindi. Growing up, I realized that my father yaukana ne mama wange after some time, because yafunya mama wange ewaka yali muzadde we titi yamwagaliza mama wange, because my mother wasn't a Muslim. So kata wava uchi obuzibu, so my mom nanzala naye nga yanzalira wa mama we.
Okay.
Yes.
Abaana abakula ne jjajja.
Kati nakula ne jjajja wange, nakula mu family y'abakyala. So I have a lot of respect for women. Because wakawe nakulya twalinawo ndoza twaliwo abalenzi nga babiri basatu. Kati nze we nakulya wajjajja ddala mu nnyumba nalimu omulenzi actually omu. Kati abaala bali ababiri abakulu bali babira mu boys quarters. Ne kati nga bo batandise okukola tebabira, because by that time nalinga okutegera bali ku campus, kati nga bakola ekwaliko Arafat ne muganda. Kati nga bo bakola, kati nga zembera, kati nga mu nnyumba mwembera, it's basically women.
Okay, roughly a family of how many?
Around 12
and 3 boys ngata babiri nabakulu
bakulu. Kati just now I grew up in bakazi bachala
9
10 and I can't even really like restrict the number to 10, because wabanga wabantu banya bajange waka, because my judge yali muntu w'abantu akakyaliwo muntu w'abantu tufe wakati twayawulanga nti no gwe bakuzone yakuzaala gwe ono ya, like me I grew up in a family of so many people that are women. Kati nafunanga chance okuzanyako n'abalenzi nga bali ku nyumba za jjajja zebapangisaako, kati ngenda nabo ku kisaawe omanya abantu abazze waka, naye nga kizibu nnyo notusanga n'ogamba muno ono tebamuzaala wa. osanga makangoma nyibajjaja osanga wajjaja nga ffenna tuli mu kulya
wafumba emmere mwenna mutulaawo
era nga nze onkolako ekintu nakyo n'obagenda kufa ne jjajja wange era omukyalo oyo naava naalongo nkwagala nnyo n'obulamu bwange bwonna era akimanyi because she grew me up, she literally nurtured me, she not only nurtured me into everything that I basically know about people, respect, work, attitude, discipline, and then ne mami wange naye mwagalanye kubanga naye yankuza ate nga atulabirira nnyo ne basista bange abaaliwo by then. Yes, so banzaalawo naye kati kuzaala kwange kajja kati then wenkula nategeera gye banzaala Luweero. Kati ntegeerayo nga dadi wange amaze kufa.
That is so sad.
Yes, nategeera muno banzaala wa Luweero. Kati then nagenda nga dadi wange sometimes okumulako Makindye kati nga nze Makindye ate ndabayo nga mu kyalo.
Yes, ngolowooza oba ovudde
Makerere kwagala tuli close to kati ntegeera nti muno Makindye eri close to Kampala. Kyenagenda muno nakula ndi mugezigezi. Lumumba mami wange annonyeyo ewa dadi ku makya nga tujja ndaba Workers House. Amba naye ate wembeera ewaka Makerere ku Kisayi waggulu ku university ndaba Workers House. Sigeza ono si kyalo kiri close to kati olaba ndowooza kati nga ndaba nga nnengera ekibuga ebizimbe byendaba nga ndi Makerere ate nga ne even when I'm in Makindye the same buildings I see. So that's how I came to know that okay, Makindye is close to Kampala. Then when I grew up I got to know that Makindye is one of those Kampala divisions that make up Kampala. So
okay, you said well you were growing up abana bakwitanga King, the Lion, you used to go to, is it you said Cars?
Cars for those trainings.
Yeah, so where did you go to?
Nibi bintu ebikyaliyo bya scout. I think
bikyaliyo because my little sister she's in P4 but she's always telling my mom njagala kugenda ku Cars kulya muchomo.
Waberayo muchomo. Yes,
basically that is the only thing that she wants. Tamanyi over they are going to go and study. Chamanyi if you're going to camp kuba kulya muchomo bokka.
Kusoma munange and it is also another way that so many kids and so many people are disciplined and nurtured into who they are right now because of those different trainings. Because twagenanga kazi batuyisanga bintu bingi nnyo, a lot of training, not only how to protect yourself, self-defense, but even how you approach to people. N'engeri olina okweyisamu naddala ng'olina abantu abalala. Yes.
Okay. So you do not want to answer my question, but
no.
are.
I'm going to answer your question. So you asked about natandikirawo okusoma.
Yes.
So kati the other thing I forgot to mention, I have to really mention about my story. So I grew up in church. Basically, boy? Yes, I'm a church boy. I grew up from church. I've been in church for a long time. Church ngenzo kwa mnonji. Era so many of my peers were unyokunda in this other world of the secular world. No nga ndiringa n'abayimbi okuyimba munaye kwagaana. Yes,
because all the boys that I've heard of abakulanga, maybe let me use the word church boys, basically omusanga nga bamuyimbi obanga inamu that hidden talent in them. And
I'm an instrumentalist. I used to play drums and I play a guitar.
You're a virtuoso. You play a lot of musical instruments.
Yes, only two. People will start saying.
No, if it is more than one, okay, there are many.
Oh yeah, sure.
You do not, because sometimes you put it on leading a piano, very many different.
You like live music?
Not really.
I was going to say, I'll take you one day for live music so that you can see what live.
Those things happen at night, and I just see that. Yeah.
I'll leave that to the viewers. So I started studying at Our Lady of Fatima Primary School. Testimony abakatoliki yawo nankulabye parish natandikira okusoma kwange. So nensomaawo from from actually nursery, try enough bya kindergarten those days.
Yeah, you definitely wake up in the morning and
you're in baby class.
Oli fit okugenda kusomera. To join baby class.
Thank you so much. So twalingawo mu baby Our Lady of Fatima, utuvaawo primary 1, primary 2, primary 3, primary 4, primary 5. Then there was a very big shift in my life. My granny had to travel, had to change places, had to switch locations. So my granny goes to Masaka when I was in P4, actually going to P5. so bakwata ebintu byonna ewaka ennyumba nga bwomanye ekampala kati family house bagijjamu ebintu babiti up to where? Up to Masaka.
And you had to definitely change a school.
Kati, but I didn't go immediately. I had to first finish. And I had to go for first term, second term, because I was under some sponsorship. Yes, so they had to do those many processes. Tell them that now we are switching schools and all that because of ABCD reasons. Kati ngenda Masaka in P5 second term, they get me a school. So I go to Masaka now. Ngenda mu boarding section.
Did you like the fact that you were in town at ogenda kati Masaka?
It was about my granny. The rest didn't matter.
Tewafaayo baka ogenda from town ogenda mchana.
Nalinda bantu debona nnyo. Nze nga sibimanyi nga njagala kugenda jjajja wange gyali. Because it was about my granny. Everything was about my granny. Nga sagala kubimanya ne basista bange ngamba misinga already bagenze dda kati holiday embeera eno na mami wange embeera nzekka, you know that thing. Kati wakanga tubeerawo basatu, me and my other two sisters with my mom, and the rest of the family has gone to Masaka. So second time everything gets in two line. I go to Masaka for studying. Then I do
in P5.
P5, yes. P5, P6, P7. So I sit my P7 from Masaka. No one knows about this. You know,
and you remember the year?
Yeah, the year of what? P7. I was young. Actually, when I went there, I am really a favored guy. Yes,
I love it when people proclaim different things to themselves. Just like someone was asking me, what bad can you say? I was like, how can I say something bad about myself?
How can you? How do you even start?
Even if I know I've made a mistake, I will deny. My parents know that. I will deny.
No, but okay, sometimes like, you know, affirming your mistake and saying you're sorry, it's good.
No,
but
you know all these things. You can, when we are talking here, I can tell you something and you just leave it at the table. But when you go back and lie on your bed, you will notice and be like, oh, no, this was not right. This is not right. Good.
Yeah,
I
sure.
did something at techabadde kirungi. Nokitegera nti walina muyinza obbawo nga muwakana. And definitely when you go back somewhere and you're seated alone, no gamba, I was not right here. So I cannot proclaim something bad against myself or towards myself.
Yeah, true. No, yeah, it's not right. I don't find it right actually. You have to keep on proclaiming so many big things about your life.
Yeah, so you're a favored guy.
Yeah, from way back. Okay. I have favor upon me. I know that I am blessed. I am highly favored. I know that, and everyone that has crossed my way knows that, and I share that with so many people. You can't just be close to me and you don't tap on my faith and on my blessings.
Okay, I'm really loving this interview. Eranga and Ishua nawe alimukulaba BTM gifted right now. You are enjoying this. We are going to go for a very short, quick break, and we shall be right back as Mr. Smith tells us how blessed he is or favored.